Right, so let's complete this maneuver. I would like you to reverse your car and drive on your left. So your front bonnet driving on towards the left side, please. Okay?
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Have we done this?
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. What did you just say?
Have we done this?
Rebecca, so I would like you to do the forward bay parking. Remember, you're doing this as a refresher now, so you're doing it by yourself. Do you know your reference points for the forward bay parking?
Yeah.
Which one was it?
I'm sure it was well done.
That's a reverse bay parking.
Oh.
So forward bay parking is...
So it's this mirror?
It's not a mirror in my car.
Is it not?
Nope.
I forgot.
Yes, you do. Door handle.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, put your hand there.
Yeah.
That is...
It's to match the white line.
Whichever. So if you want to go into that bay, so this white line, when it matches, you stop and then you do the full lock to the right. The sticker, you said, that's for the reverse bay parking, which we'll do in a minute, okay? So, and also, because this is going to be watched by so many people, so whenever you're doing the forward, because we're doing the forward right, remember that, yeah? Because we're doing the forward right bay parking, position of the car matters. So where our car position should be more to the left, like we are. So the more left you are, it's easy for you to go in. But please don't, as you're driving, don't get closer like this. Go straight.
Yep.
Align with your reference. Stop the car. Full lock to the right. Make like a T junction. Not T junction. Like a T, and then turn right. That will be easy. That means you have got more room to swing and then adjust your car nice and early. Okay, right, let's do the forward bay parking, please. Forward right, any bay you like, as long as your 4 wheels are inside the tire.
Right, okay. No, stay still. I'm gonna choose the next one actually. Right, there.
So put your head on the head restraint. Put your head on, and now look over there. Is it really there? Or you have to go forward a little bit? What do you think?
Oh, it's the handle, not the mirror, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what we should do?
Full lock.
Okay. Do that, but don't move your car yet. Now, because we're doing the forward bay parking, if you're doing this in Asda, Sainsbury or any live car park, would any surrounding of your people know what you're doing at the moment?
No, because I'm not indicating.
So do we need to indicate?
Yeah.
Yes, we do need to indicate on a forward bay parking as well.
Okay. That's not straight.
Good, okay.
And then I need to go forward a little bit. I don't feel like I'm in the line.
Doesn't matter. Secure your car. So Rebecca, it doesn't matter if your car is in the it's the correct position or not, yeah? As long as your 4 tires are inside the bay and you have make your tire straightened, that's what matters.
Yeah.
So even if your car is slightly slanted, but if your 4 tires are inside the bay, that's what matters. Now, obviously, on my left mirror, you have got a small blind spot mirror. Can you see the white line?
No.
What's there?
Oh, right. Is that the white line? Oh, right. Okay.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
So, are we inside the bay over here?
Oh, yeah. That's
Okay.
that.
How can you tell me from your side?
Oh, I am.
You are perfectly in the middle.
At back is as well.
Yes. So the reason why I don't have the blind spot mirror on the right one, because you can secure your car and you can open your door and have a look.
Yeah.
But in this one, there's a small circle mirror there which you can check. That's perfectly fine. Okay. So what is the reference point for the forward bay parking? That's a 1.
Why
Okay.
not?
Right. So let's complete this maneuver. I would like you to reverse your car and drive on your left. So your front bonnet driving on towards the left side, please. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
Have we done this?
Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. What did you just say?
Have we done this? Yeah, we have.
What are we doing today? Are we
A refresher.
learning or are we doing a refresher today?
Right.
So, whenever you're doing reversing, what 2 things examiner are testing you on?
Looking.
Observations. Shoulders check, yeah? You can check your mirrors and you can check your screen as well, no problem. That's 1. And the other thing is control of your car. So you remain in full control of the car, though, yeah? Okay, so reverse your car and drive on your left, please.
But if I reverse backwards now, I'm not actually turning to face that way, am I?
Yeah, but you need to tell the car.
So I have to turn to the right.
I don't know, but you need to decide this, isn't it?
But now I don't know if I turn before I move.
You can. So let me just help you out. So have we got any cars parked on either bays or they're empty? So that means you can, as long as you have done your observation, you can full lock now. So your front bonnet will gonna swing over there. It's fine. Yes, if you are in between the 2 cars, if you slice in between 2 cars, then it's better to go out completely and then stairs. Otherwise, your car going to hit that parked car. So right now, if there's nothing there, you're perfectly fine to swing over to empty bays over there, as long as you're doing your observations though, yeah?
Right, okay.
Any other questions?
No.
Okay, let's do this.
Wait, I'll move first. Then I'll check my mirrors.
Hold on. Don't take your feet off the brake, please, yeah? Which gear did you go into?
Drive. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's a very valid point. Right, okay.
Pay attention.
Mirrors. Check if anyone.
Yeah, and you can stay early. That's it, good. And every 6 to 8 seconds, please move your head. Good. So is your car straightened? That's it, good. Right, good. And then secure your car. And that's how you complete your maneuver though, yeah? Any problem?
No.
Okay.